Are you ready to lose 7 to 12 pounds during the 10-day green juice weight loss challenge? Well, we're starting this Friday, January 9th. That's right, I said we. That means me and you are doing this together. And what better way to kick off the new year than to detox and to drop some pounds? Now, the cool thing about this challenge is you don't have to sign up and you don't have to pay anything. All you do is join in. So just dust off your juicer and let's get this new year started right. Now, all of the details are posted, including recipes and what we should be drinking on a daily basis, is posted on my website. All right, let's get this thing started. You know what to do. Well, you know what we're going to be doing. We're going to be getting our juice on. All right, I'll see you on Friday.